Have you ever built a Lego house? Think about the different stages of the process. Designing your house, organizing your materials, constructing your creation, making final tweaks, and presenting your creation to your friends and family. Writing a report involves a similar process, and it can seem a lot more intimidating than making a house out of Legos. But once we break it down into 5 simple steps, it won't be so intimidating. Today, you'll learn about each of the steps, which together are called the writing process. The first thing to do in the writing process is to select a topic and then gather the information you'll need to begin writing. It's just like when you build your Lego house. You need to design your house and gather the pieces you'll need before construction. For your report, you'll need to research your topic, which means you need to find information on your topic to use in your report. Two main types of research sources include print sources, including informational books, magazines, encyclopedias, newspapers, interviews, and the internet and media sources, including search engines, television, movies, music. The next step is to